Welcome to The Deal, our quarterly outlook on the M&A markets. I'm Fenton Burgin and I lead Deloitte's UK advisory corporate finance business. As we head into 2021, the US election result has removed considerable uncertainty. Positive vaccine developments and recovering equity markets continue to drive a strong pickup in M&A. The last quarter of 2020 was one of the most active for deal volumes in the last 20 years. Cheap debt is fueling this activity with interest rates at record lows. Liquidity is pouring into the mid-market as investors look for higher returns. And we don't see that situation changing in the first half of 2021. The Bank of England predicts that low rates are with us for the foreseeable future, given unprecedented levels of central bank fiscal support across the Eurozone. Additionally, the pandemic has accelerated many companies' digital agendas, and a wide range are turning to M&A to acquire as opposed to developing new technologies. And with markets anticipating low levels of Eurozone economic growth for the next 6 months, more companies are looking to use M&A to boost shareholder returns and using cash reserves built up during the pandemic. We see accelerating M&A activity in the financial services, technology, healthcare services, and industrial sectors, in particular where valuations remain high for quality assets. We also anticipate ongoing high levels of UK private company M&A, driven by investors and shareholders looking to realise gains ahead of any potential increases in capital gains tax. So how do we see deal makers reacting to this environment? Firstly, we don't see a return to 2019's far and wide auctions. Investors are telling us that they'll be far more selective about the deals they wish to pursue, and decision-making will be quicker. Today, speed and certainty to completion are more important to vendors than getting the last pound on price. As a result, we anticipate more investors looking to preempt the uncertainty of auction processes through bidding aggressively on bilateral deals. And that speaks to high valuations and intense competition for quality assets. For sellers and buyers, that means optimizing your initial market approach is going to be critical. You may not get a second chance. How deals are concluded will continue to evolve rapidly in 2021. Digital technologies continue to grow in importance in a world of ongoing Zoom meetings, limited international travel, and virtual negotiations. Of course, there are some potential choppy waters ahead as the UK navigates the nature of its future relationship with the Eurozone, and we see the full economic impact of the second lockdown. We also envisage increased levels of regulatory and government scrutiny in cross-border M&A going forward. But despite these challenges, we anticipate that activity in the first half of 2021 will be very strong as UK and international M&A investors continue to back UK business, UK jobs, and UK economic activity. Thank you for listening. I look forward to speaking to you in our next episode.